Hi guys! Today we're going to be using the balloon smash technique to create an abstract field of flowers, and I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to get this technique to work too. So I'm going to start off by just laying all the colors I want to use on the canvas. All the paint that I'm using today is mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. All my paint colors and ratios will be listed in the description box, so you can find all the details there, but I'll mention them as we go along too. I've actually been trying to get the balloon smash technique to work for quite some time. I've been amazed at how easy it looks in YouTube videos, only to find that I can't get it to work at all when I do it. Usually the pattern I create gets absorbed by the other paint, and I'm just left with a strange mark on the canvas. So now that I think I've finally figured it out, I thought I'd share with you in case you're also having some challenges with this technique. So I think there are really just 3 key things to keep in mind with this technique. One is to use a paint mixture that has a thicker consistency. For me, a mixture of 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol has been working well. The second suggestion I have is don't put too much paint on the canvas. That seems to help out as well. And then 3, I'd suggest leaving the paint to dry for a bit before you actually do the balloon smash. So I've been leaving mine to dry for about 45 minutes before doing it, and that seems to be working, pretty well for me. And those are really just the 3 key things that have been helping me get mine to work out better. I'd love to know if you've had any challenges with this technique, or if you have any other tips to share too. You can let me know in the comments. Alright, so now we are ready to get started with the fun part. For this part, I'm using a balloon that I've filled up with some water. I've only partially filled the balloon because I just want to make small impressions with it, so I didn't want to make it too large. And so to actually create the pattern, I'm just pressing straight down and then lifting the balloon straight up. And wow, look at that! I'm very happy with the way this turned out. I'm really glad that I actually got a pattern to form. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.